Okay, if you guys watched one of our earlier videos, I had one titled The Perfect Tree. And kind of what we're doing here is I'm going to set up a trail kind of through our woods. So they can kind of walk through here and hike and play, whatever else like that. But sometimes it is very difficult to get across the creek if you don't have a four-wheeler or a truck or something like that. So I was going to put up a swing where they could just kind of swing across the creek. So we were looking for the perfect tree to go across. Huh?
I can't swim across.
Oh, I bet you can.
There's no room to run.
Yeah, we'll get something kind of set up. But I got this old sycamore tree right there. It's going across the creek.
Ride it and
Huh?
only summer I'll ride it.
Yeah.
Bathing suit.
So right up there is the tree. And I bought some of this rope. And they said it'd be good for a rope swing. I got 50 foot. And I'm thinking that's probably close to 30 foot up there. I've got to get that up to that. So, kind of the idea is just to grab a hold of the rope, and you can just kind of run. And see, over there you're gonna have to kind of run and swing, because I think the rope is actually probably kind of going to be more on that side. So I don't know how that's going to work.
And you're trying it first.
I'm trying it first. Okay. Well, it might work. It might not. Huh?
Ain't gonna work.
Ain't gonna work. Well, we'll see. Kind of got some dead limbs up there. It's kind of on the Y of the tree that might be kind of a little bit in the way.
I'll never. So yours gonna fall down in the water.
It's gonna fall down in the water.
Yeah, but you don't have that much time to wait.
All right. We'll see how this goes.
Rock gonna be.
Rock.
We're not a rock. Oh my god. You're up to shower. You're up to the water.
What do you think, Philip?
I don't know.
You don't know? Still don't think it's gonna work?
No, never.
Never?
You can't get across at least.
Alright. Oh, watch out! That didn't work. That didn't work.
I told you.
You told me. Okay, we're on round 2. I'll change up my ideas. So I've got me some weed eater string, an old brick. I'm gonna tie it onto this brick. Throw it over the... You ready?
You did it! How'd you reach that though?
Daddy wins again. Oh, ye little faith.
I can watch you fall. fall. You're gonna have to take a shower after this. Where are you gonna land it onto? Like, where are you landing? Like, where are you gonna land at, Dad? You cannot land anywhere.
Huh?
You can't land it anywhere.
Well, we'll have to clear off a little path.
Oh, land it right here, Dad. What was it then?
Skill!
It was not skill. It was luck. 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 Now swing across, Dad. Do it.
Huh?
I'll do it the first one.
It worked, kind of.
It was kind of mean.
Well, I think it's going to work. We're going to have to do some adjustment, a little bit of geometry and whatever else like that. Kind of figure out how we're going to get it to work. I think it'll work.
No.
But we've got Katie's grandma. She turned 90 yesterday, and we're having a little party for her today over at the country cottage, and I'm being summoned that it is time to go. So we'll go do that and come back and try to figure this whole rope swing thing out. So we'll catch you in a little while. All right, so you're gonna grab hold of this right here, put your feet on that right there. Yeah, that's where you want to hold on to. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
No, I'm stuck. Ah, help! Help!
Drop, drop, drop. Oh, no.
No.
Hold on.
Help!
Hold on. Drop. You did it. Try again.
No, no.
Here's Papa.
No,
Here comes Papa.
no,
Here,
stop.
do it. Do it for
No.
Papa. Hurry, jump up here.
No,
Go.
no. I can't
Go.
do it.
Do it.
It hurts.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Drop. Yeah.
I dropped down. Help!
Don't drop, don't drop. Hold on.
Oh my God. Go. Hold on. There, right there. Is that fun?
Yeah, that was fun. Ready? I'm gonna do it again.
Can't really go the other way. It's like kind of harder.
You do it.
Go. You did it! Ah! You got wet.
No, I told you I'm gonna get wet.
Go back. I'm scared.
I'm gonna do it.
Fall! Fall!
Let's get back.
Oh! Yes!
Oh, that was fun.
Let me try again, right?
Go.
Land, land. Philip!
I had to do it.
Get the rope! Get the rope. Go. Yes! 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 Good job! Good job! Good job! Well, now you're wet, so you can go in anytime you want now. Is your shoes wet, Libby?